All right, I just moved into a new Airbnb and I decided to take my own advice. Part of the champagne method is to raise the bar, choose more select opportunities that could be incredible. I am not even unpacked, but I just had to share. Look at that incredible view. I can wake up every day looking at the Pacific Ocean. I'm so used to looking at the Caribbean Sea when I'm in Playa del Carmen, but right now I'm in Ocean Beach, California. I am thrilled and I will be getting lots of good videos here. This is such a great spot, wonderful area just to sit and enjoy the morning sunshine. And before I unpack, I thought I would get the fresh little pretty view. This spot is amazing, beautifully done, very spot kind of vibe, so I'm liking that. Very fancy shower. Oh, I love it, all the way to the ceilings. Beautiful area, and here I get to wave at you from the mirror. And another mirror, gotta love it. All right, this also has a wonderful area to entertain, have some people over, sitting area, areas that I'm gonna be working too, and a beautiful, absolutely, oops, almost walked into the counter, it's so big here. I used all these tiny places. This is absolutely beautiful spot. I'm totally impressed, let's just say. I've been getting lots of fun little teeny places, which I do love. And oh, there's my bag full of so many things. So we'll be getting all of that good stuff unpacked and ready to enjoy being here. And then there's this wonderful cozy couch. And look at that view. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I don't know, I'm only here 10 days. I think I'm going to be enjoying it quite a bit. Love when life meets you where you want to be, what you want to do, and you just keep sticking to what you're looking for. This spot is exquisite, and I've had some really fun places. My last one was teeny, and it was kind of a weird one because the neighbor parked like right in front of the only entry window area that I had. So I felt like he would sit in his car and kind of look and observe what I was doing without trying to be too creepy, but kinda. So this is nice. Nobody can just sit in their car and stare and wonder what this random person's doing. I am thrilled that this has windows on all four sides. Got to love it. It's above a garage, so it's a beautiful spot. And yeah, I think this view is going to be addictive. I am very much about the phrase you hear me say is raise your deserve level. And I always love an opportunity. I was looking at a few different places to stay and they were all great in their own way, but I was like, okay, which one would I feel like I raised my deserve level? I'm working hard. I need to have some luxuries, but also some peace and tranquility and pleasure that comes with that. Here I am in a new, beautiful Airbnb that is full of views and possibilities, and I just love it. It's so nice. Oh, the sunshine on my face. I'm loving it. All right, let's keep this conversation going because I have so much more to be sharing with you while I stay here at this exquisite location, and I'll be enjoying so much sunshine.